Hey Loaf Gang, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Anastassja.Mariah, and I am back with a quick video just showing you how I applied this wig that I'm wearing and my impressions of it. So if you would like to see how I went ahead and slayed this 613 lace front wig, please keep on watching. I'm back. Wanting to try something more on the edge. A color I've never tried was 613. I wanted to just see how it looked on my skin, but I didn't want to spend too much money. So I got this Outre lace front wig. It's the Perfect Hairline collection. So it's a fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig. So the style that I got is IMAN or IMAN. It is a pre-braided style wig. This is the box that it comes in. Okay, so it comes like this with the little book. It has this little tube here, which I assume was to keep the hair like wrapped up. This comes in the box like this. It comes with the stuffing and then the nets around it or whatever. So it is already pre-braided, cute little thin. What is these, fishbone braids? I think it's cute. I wish they didn't have black rubber bands like that. I don't know how long this is. I'd say it's about like 18, 20 maybe. I have a short torso, so this is heat resistant fiber, so it's blended hair. High tex is what they call it. Safe up to 400 degrees. And the hair is still in the net. It's not too thick. I mean, I really like that. I wanted that. The lace is actually like a more tinted brown color. Did they make this for us dark-skinned women? Let me show y'all the lace. So the lace looks darker than normal. It could be because the hair is blonde, and I'm still gonna put my own little tinting situation on here to get it for my scalp, but I'm getting super excited with this, you guys. I'm just gonna do what I do when there's not a camera standing right here. I have this like light brown colored knee high, thigh high. I get like a box of 12 pairs because it's just more convenient. They're thinner too, and I don't have any hair on my head, so I just like that it helps better with like adhering to this, just the edges or whatever. So I have my ColourPop Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer, so I do use that to tint the lace because it is a tinted moisturizer. I have this alcohol 50% for my hairline. I have my brush, my gold detangler brush that I got from Ulta. I have my Zedge's Edge Control coconut oil stick. I have my rat tail edge and comb brush thing. So I love this. I love this. I use this for everything. My Bold Hold glue right here. I got to be glued blasting free spray. Best Kiss hair head wrap, some scissors from the kitchen, and my tweezers. So I put you guys down on this angle because at home by myself, this is exactly what I would do. Tie the hair back into like a little bun or something just to, you know, get it out of the way. So once I have it in that knot, I flip it around, and again, like I was telling you guys, there's an elastic band. But luckily this one is pretty much already braided, so a lot of the hair is already out the way. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my towel, but I'm just gonna put this underneath inside because we don't want anything to possibly seep through. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna push that in there like that. See? Just like that. I just go across and I pat everywhere where there's like little holes. All the little holes will then be brown. So this part will probably be sped up and stuff, and you guys will just see my process.
Fakers trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need them. We were saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah, I'm passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident.
I went ahead and did the bald cap method for this wig.
Don't forget to let you know I'll be bold.
I'm gonna go ahead and add this tinted moisturizer that I put on the wig to the stocking cap part.
I'm Jordan, while you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it at my house in New Orleans. Off the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up. Watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I'll be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ooh, ballin'. I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ooh, ballin'. I'ma buy a mansion for my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We was saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure
Alright, love gang, I'm so happy you guys made it to the end. I do apologize. I definitely finished applying the wig and I laid it down last night. I was just too tired to close out the video and make an intro, so that's why you see I'm in a completely different outfit. And my makeup is done because I just got done taking some pictures for Instagram. I always leave my handles in the description box. But honestly, you guys, this wig isn't that bad. I did end up, before I took the pictures, putting some silicone mixed shine hair polisher because it did get a bit like, not frizzy, but I don't know, synthetic hair, the blended hair stuff. I don't know, I think with it being 613, I see more and more in it that I just would, tweak. But honestly, I didn't do any tweezing to the part. You guys will see I laid my baby hairs. This definitely looks more appealing when you have like a full face of makeup on for my ladies of color, especially if you're not gonna change the root color. So this is gonna take some getting used to, but honestly, this wig, like the brand and how the wig is constructed with the elastic band in the back, the density is like not too thin, but it's not too thick either, to where once it gets a little old, it's not gonna feel so like stiff and this, that, and the third. Now it does shed like a bitch. It sheds, at least it shed it for me, and this is after I've cut my lace. I've already had it on. I've brushed it a few times and it's still shedding. So right now I like the density, but I don't know if I'm gonna always like the density. I didn't do any plucking. I know some women love to like pluck the hell out of their lace wigs. This one is not bad. I can't wait to unbraid it. A little bit of my makeup did get on like the hair, but like the baby hairs, but I'm actually not mad at that. The lace matches my scalp like perfect. I don't even know if y'all can tell, but the lace matches my scalp perfect. That lace was very easy to tint in the way that I tint it with my tinted moisturizer. It's just pretty simple. I mean, I don't feel like I'm teaching anything new. Just wanted to show y'all and tell y'all my opinions, first impressions of this 613 wig. This is my first time wearing this color. This color is really, really pretty, and I think it's very, very pretty on dark skin. But I just wanted to show a video of another dark skinned girl, you know, out of the few that are out there that she pulled it out too. I tried to, you know, do makeup that's, you know, not too much color, because I don't really know how I want to do makeup and stuff. But I did just want to throw on like a more natural beat so that, you know, it can all come together. Because without the makeup done, y'all, I was just kind of like, But with the makeup, y'all, I'm feeling myself. This is the Outre 13x6 pre-braided wig. I threw the box and stuff away. If I ever want to do something quick for like a quick vacation trip or like a week vacation, or just going out one night and I just want to get a new hair piece, you know what I'm saying? Like just a brand new hair piece. I could go spend $80 on this. This is not bad at all. I mean, minus the shedding. I just like how it's just laying on its own. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, making it this far. Let me know in the description box if you tried any of the wigs from Outre, maybe any suggestions of any other wigs that you guys would like me to try. I am going to start getting into, you know, first impressions so that I can help you guys out if you guys want to try less expensive alternatives instead of always going for that virgin hair, because, you know, it's always good to save, you know, some coin. And especially during quarantine, we're not going anywhere, so the hair is going to last longer anyway. But yeah, love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, love gang. Gang, gang.